Hey guys, this is Mundan Mashood and welcome to Manage Consulting's YouTube channel. So that's the seventh blog post or and as well as seventh video series in which I am going to help you identify some strategies and act upon them to improve your website speed. So this blog post is about network request chains. So I have first explained what is a network request chain. So it's like when browsers load a website, they have to download CSS style sheets, they have to download JavaScript files, they have to download fonts, and other resources to render the page. Uh, so what happens that sometimes the website code is written in a way or website is structured in a way that one thing that browsers or one resource that browsers have to download is dependent on the other resource that browsers have to download first before they actually download and render that resource on the page. So for example, I have included an everyday example that for example, this is the menu. Imagine a website that has a menu and it has a specific font in it. So, or and this specific font is referenced in the CSS style sheet. So, browsers have to do, they have to download the style sheet first, CSS style sheet first, and then they have to download the and within that style sheet, the font is contained for the instructions for the font. So they cannot download the font to render without downloading the style sheet first. Then what we can do is reference the font in the HTML document directly, and this way browsers are not on downloading the source for downloading the font. And I have included another personal website audit, one of the and it was about a background image in the style sheet in their CSS style sheet. So to render the background image, browsers first have to download the CSS style sheet, and then within that style sheet, the background image was referenced. And to make things worse, that I have uh, included in my blog post, I have explained that to make things worse, the um, that background image was actually forming the LCP, the largest content movement. And of course, you can imagine it was impacting the core web vitals and the overall SEO, hurting the SEO of that of that my client website. So and I've included some strategies how you can optimize or minimize network request chains by way of preloading. So it's an HTML property. So for example, let's go back to our background image example, and what we can do is to add that background image and set the rel as preload. So what it's gonna do, that code instructs the browser to begin the downloading the background image immediately, even before it reaches the HTML code referencing it. This ensures the image is ready for use as soon as the browser needs it, significantly improving the loading speed of the hero section. So we are actually telling the browser that this resource, let's reload it first at any cost, and when browser is gonna need it to render the page, the browser is gonna fetch it on priority. So I have also included imaginary case study for an imaginary SaaS project management tool called Jira. You can imagine, you can guess what kind of project management tool it could be. So in this example, I have included a scenario. So for example, that it encounters a reference to the critical CSS file containing styles for the task list and project card. So these two are, you can imagine, these two are sections, or within the sections some parts of those sections. So you can read it here, and I've included the diagnosis, how you can diagnose the problem using Chrome Dev tools, and using the film strips views, web page test and GT metrics. I have diagnosed this. I have suggested a solution to preload the critical resources of those sections, and font optimization, preload the fonts and everything. And I have included how you can optimize or minimize network request chains in WordPress, world's most widely used CMS, as well as in Drupal, because our expertise, managed consulting, web development expertise is in Drupal as well. So you can, if you want to improve your website, you can reach me out, consult me, take my consultancy. You can reach me out on LinkedIn. Here I have included the link here on under my name. That's my LinkedIn profile. You can reach me out, or you can even reach me out on WhatsApp, or you can hit the let's talk button here, this WhatsApp icon, and you will be taken to WhatsApp, and your message will reach me directly on my WhatsApp. So thank you guys. See you again in the next video. Please hit the like button and please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.